Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel Fold, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, we'll need to open up our settings. From here, scroll all the way down to System, and then select Reset Options, and then Erase All Data Factory Reset. This will bring up a message letting you know that doing so will remove everything that is listed right over here. Now, the things that you should be actually worrying about is the music, photos, and user data. This is the data that will be put on the device by you, and it's unique to the device. Unlike, for instance, the apps and downloaded or system app data, settings, and accounts. So, if you have anything that you'd like to preserve from this list, make a backup copy of it before you begin, otherwise this data will be lost and this cannot be undone. Now, assuming you have already made a backup of it or you just simply don't want to, you can select Erase All Data. If you have some kind of screen lock, you will need to confirm it. I have a pattern. And from there, select Erase All Data once more, which will now begin factory resetting your device. Now, this process will take a couple minutes to finish up, and once it's completed, we'll be presented with Android setup screen. So, I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.